Welcome back to my class. Good day everyone. કેમ છો બધા મજામાં? Hope you must be busy with your test preparations. Today I am going to start Standard 10, Chapter 6, Triangles. So first I will explain the meaning of the word triangles. Triangle is a closed figure polygon having three sides AB, BC and AC, and has got three angles. Okay, and total sum is always 180. Different types of triangles are equilateral. I hope you heard this word. Second is isosceles. Third is scalene. Equilateral triangle where all the sides are same. If all the sides are congruent, all the angles are also congruent. So it is also called equiangular. Okay, let us start. Two figures having the same shape are called similar figures. I'll explain this to you. Two figures are said to be congruent if they have same shape and size. So open page number 73, first paragraph. Please mark the second and the third line. Two figures are said to be congruent if they have same shape and size. Two figures having the same shape are called similar figures. Please mark it, very important. Now we come to page number 74, 6.2, similar figures. All the circles, mark it, with same radii are congruent. All the squares with the same side lengths are congruent. All equilateral triangles with the same side lengths are congruent. Now you see figure as given in your textbook, figure 1, 2, 3. All circles are similar, need not be congruent. All the squares are similar. All equilateral triangles are similar. From the above, we can say that all congruent figures are similar, but similar figures need not be congruent. All congruent figures are similar, underline, but the similar figures need not be congruent. Come to page number 75. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in same ratio. So this I'll explain, pay attention. I take two triangles. You can give the name as A, B, C, P, Q, R. Chalo, AB upon PQ, AB upon PQ, AC upon PR, and BC upon QR. And what about the angles? Angle A corresponds to angle P, angle B corresponds to angle Q, angle C corresponds to angle R. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal. Now if they are equal, matlab angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q, angle C is congruent to angle R. ये congruent हो गए, and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Then they are said to be similar. Now we go to exercise 6.1. So open your exercise 6.1. Okay, chalo, let us start. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. All circles are, options are given to you, congruent or similar, similar, underline similar. All squares are similar or congruent, similar. All dash triangles are similar. What will come? Equilateral. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal, underline equal, and the corresponding sides are proportional. हो गया? All have done? Question number 2. Give two different examples of pair of similar figures. Many examples are there. So, whichever comes to your mind, you will write down. Question number 2. So, write down question number 2. Answer number first. Similar figures. Any two squares. बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स हैं इसमें. और any two circles. I'll show you the symbol used for circle is this. Okay. अब second one में है non similar figures, triangle and circle. आ रहा है समझ में? और दूसरा क्या लेंगे? Equilateral triangle and right angle triangle. ठीक है? These are the examples. So now we will read question number 3. और आप सभी को question number 3 you have to write down in the notebook very neatly. Presentation is very important in board exam. State whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. ठीक है? चलो. Figure is there in the textbook. Check. SP is 1.5. In the first figure all sides are same. Second में भी same है. अब here it is 3. Okay, now check the angles. Angles are same? No, angles are not same. So the answer is no. Corresponding sides are in proportion. But the corresponding, you can check the angles. Angles are not equal. ठीक है? आंसर लिख लो. Page number 79. Open. Two triangles are similar. Please mark this, very important. If their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in same ratio or in proportion. The ratio of any two corresponding sides in two equiangular triangles is always the same. Thales gave an important truth relating two equiangular triangles, which is called Theorem 6.1, BPT or Thales theorem. Very, very important, 101%. It is going to be asked. Section D, both standard and basic children. In the next video, I am going to explain Theorem 6.1. Okay? And its converse. Very, very important. ये तो आपको करना ही है. Now 6.2, I will be doing question number 1 and 2. Remaining questions are riders. They need to be proved. तो वो हम करेंगे अगले वीडियो में. ठीक है? एंड उसके बाद 6.3 में क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. ओके, सो फर्स्ट आई विल स्टार्ट विथ 6.2. ठीक है? चलो, ओपन योर टेक्स्ट बुक, राइट डाउन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एंड सी द फिगर. Figures are given there. So we have to draw the rough figure. Pencil and scale has to be in your hand. First one. Now, what is asked? Find EC in 1 and AD in 2. ठीक है? चलो, first one. जैसे मैं लिखूंगी वैसे डायग्राम में देखना है. AD upon BD is equal to AE upon EC. ठीक है? पहले लिख लिया हमने. 1.5 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon EC. Now I want to find out EC. Cross multiply. 1.5. चलो पहले I will write this way. 3 will go up. Direct also you can write. Now you should know what is the meaning of 1.5. ठीक है? 3 5 5 2 तो EC कितना हो गया? 2 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, 1 mark 2 mark question. Now next second figure में देखो AD upon BD, एक एक साइड लेनी है, AE upon EC, and we have to write down the values which are given to us. And here it is 1.8 और here it is 5.4. अब मुझे AD फाइंड करना है, तो I'll keep AD as it is. This I'll take it up. चलो, now it will be 5.4. 18 upon 10, ठीक है, 72 upon 10 और 10 upon 54. Gone. 18 3s are 54, 3 1s are 3 2s are 6 and 24, तो we get 2.4 centimeter. और उसके बाद make a habit of writing the answer, very important in the board exam. इसी और ये इसका हो गया 2.4 cm, ठीक है, यूनिट के साथ आपको लिखना है. आ रहा है समझ में? ओके, ठीक है. नाउ वी गो टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. आई विल एक्सप्लेन द क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट. E and F, इसमें डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना है. E and F are the points on the sides of PQ and PR. पहले मैं ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ कर दूं so that it is more clear to you. Okay. With pencil, rough figure could be drawn. चलो, पहले मैं ट्राइंगल, very easy it is. P Q R. Okay. उसके बाद E and F are on the sides of PQ and PR. ये E और ये F हो गया. EF is parallel to QR. Now for each of the cases state whether EF is parallel to QR. ये हमें बताना है पैरेलल है कि नहीं. ओके, चलो फर्स्ट केस में PE is 3.9, EQ is 3 centimeter, CM तो PF हमें रेशियो चेक करना है. If the ratios are same, then they are parallel to each other. ठीक है, चलो ध्यान आप जो बता. PE अपॉन EQ, सामने आ जाओ. PF अपॉन FR, ठीक है. चलो, व्हाट इज PE गिवन टू यू? 3.9 अपॉन 3. और ये है फर्स्ट यूनिट चाहिए, अब इक्वल नहीं है. ओके, I'll write this way, otherwise you'll get confused. Fine. अब इसका आंसर क्या आएगा बोलो? 39 अपॉन 3 इंटू 10, ठीक है, तो 1.3 आएगा. और सामने रेशियो कितना आया? PF अपॉन इसका 3.6 अपॉन 2.4, पॉइंट निकल जाएगा 36 अपॉन 24, तो 12 3s are 12 2s are, इसका आंसर आया 1.5. आर दे सेम? सो वी राइट PE अपॉन EQ is not equal to PF upon FR. So EF is not parallel to QR. चलो समझ लो, बस इसमें यही करना है और कुछ नहीं है. Any doubt? Okay, so question number 2 and 3 I give you homework. Just try them. Now I am going to 6.3. And then I will, in the next video, we will do theorem 6.1, 6.2 और उसके बाद हम करेंगे solution of the riders. Riders options में निकल जाते हैं, लेकिन फिर भी we will do it. Okay, we should know it. And finally, I will take the textual examples. I am going to 6.3. In 6.3, I will be doing now question number 1, 2, and 15. Remaining all are riders. Okay, ध्यान देना, बहुत easy है. 6.3. State which pair of triangles in figure 6.34 are similar. Write the similarity criterion used by you for answering the questions, and also write the pair of similar triangles in symbolic form. So diagrams are there in the textbook. Open page number 95. I'll explain. There are 6. बहुत easy है. चलो फर्स्ट वन हम ले लें. ट्राइंगल ए बी और सी. ठीक है. एज इट इज ए कॉपी और इसका है 80 डिग्री और ये है 40 डिग्री. ठीक है. वन मोर ट्राइंगल इज गिवन पी क्यू आर. पी क्यू आर. ठीक है. उसमें भी हमें कॉपी करना है और ये है 40 डिग्री. बाय सीइंग द फिगर व्हाट डू यू से? इज एंगल ए इक्वल टू एंगल पी? सेम છે ને? एंगल बी is equal to angle Q. Angle C is equal to angle R. तो तीनों एंगल सेम है. So what do we write? By triple A criterion, triangle ABC is similar. This symbol is used for similar. Triangle PQR. अब देखो, this is equal to, this is not equal to, parallel, not parallel, similar, and this is congruency. First one, I hope it is clear to you. Now I am going to the second one. Second one भी देख लो जरा. चलो, A डायग्राम सब में ड्रॉ करना है. विदाउट फिगर्स वी कैनॉट डू. नो आलस. ओके. सब में डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना है. ड्रॉ फिगर विल डू. चलो अब मुझे बताना है आपको. ये हो गया. अब ये 4. ओके. नाउ 6 और ये है 5. चलो 2 का डबल 4. पहले चेक कर लो. 2.5 का 5 और 3 का 6. So I will write this way. AB upon QR. 2 upon 4. आंसर सेम आएगा. उसके बाद BC अपॉन PR. उसके बाद AC अपॉन PQ. सबका आंसर आ रहा है हाफ. So they are in proportional ratio. So by now you can check all sides are same. Angles इसमें नहीं दिए. All sides are same. So by SSS criterion, ट्रायंगल ABC को मैं ऐसे ही रखूंगी. अब आपको बताना है which triangle will come. चलो now tell me. पहले क्या आएगा देख के बताओ. PC Q R P. तो ये चेंज हो जाएगा. ठीक है. अंडरस्टूड ना. PQR नहीं आएगा. QRP. वन मोर आई एम डूइंग. बाकी के फिर आपको करने हैं. थोड़ा प्रयत्न तो करना पड़ेगा. डेली 1 hour मैथ्स टिल योर एग्जाम्स. नो लालियावाड़ी. क्या हमें सब आता है. गो ऑन डूइंग रिपीटिंग द सम्स. इट विल रियली हेल्प यू. चलो 2.7 है. ये 2 है. ये 3 है. 4 5. पहला चेक कर लो. 2 का डबल 4 तो है. 3 का डबल है लेकिन नो मैचिंग. सो व्हाट यू विल राइट? नो ट्रायंगल्स आर नॉट similar. Understood? Question number 2, very very important. Please mark it. 100% it is going to be asked in your board exams. So question number 2, 3 marks question could be asked or in section B. But before that we should know the properties of parallel lines, फर्स्ट आई विल ड्रॉ द फिगर. आराम से पहले फिगर ड्रॉ कर लो. राइट द इंफॉर्मेशन व्हाट इज गिवन टू यू एंड देन द सम बिकम्स इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड. एकदम से स्टार्ट नहीं करना है. चलो ए बी, ठीक है, सी और डी, एंड दिस इज योर इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट इज ओ. दिस इज 125 डिग्री और ये है कितना है 70 डिग्री. ओके, नाउ आई एम राइटिंग व्हाट इज गिवन. ट्राइंगल ODC is similar to triangle OBE. I'll explain to you, need not worry. BOC is 125 degree. There are many ways to do this. Now what you are supposed to find out? BOC, DCO, OAB. चलो आइडिया आपको देने रहेंगे. सी नो, ODC is similar to OBA. Okay. BOC is 125. CDO is 70. We have to find out DOC. ये फिर this और OA. तीन एंगल हमें फाइंड करने हैं. चलो, एनी आइडिया फ्रॉम योर साइड? नाउ आई कैन डू दिस वे. आई विल गिव द नंबर्स 1 2 3 4 5 और ये हो गया 7. ठीक है, अब ध्यान देना. Angle 2 plus angle 7 is equal to 180. Why? Because they are angles of linear pair. 2 और 7, ठीक है. तो angle 2 plus 125. तो angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 125. तो हो गया 55 डिग्री. ये 55 आ गया. अब दो एंगल है, तीसरा we can find. Now we take in triangle DOC. ठीक है, एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 2 प्लस एंगल 3 इज 180. एंगल 1 कितना है 70 प्लस 55 प्लस एंगल 3 इज 180. 125 प्लस एंगल 3 इज 180. तो एंगल 3 कितना हो जाएगा 180 माइनस 125. तो हमें मिलेंगे 55 डिग्री. ओके, वी गॉट 55 डिग्री. इज दिस सॉल्व? नाउ व्हाट डू यू से अबाउट 3 and 5? Angle 3 is equal to angle 5 is equal to 55 degree. Why? Because they are alternate angles. उसके बाद आंसर्स लिखते हैं. ओके, नाउ वन थिंग आई वांट टू एक्सप्लेन टू यू. Pay attention everyone, बहुत important है ये. Now two lines are parallel. L is parallel to M. T is the transversal intersecting the lines into points A and B. How many angles are formed? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 और 8. I'll give you one angle, remaining automatically सब आ जाएंगे. देखना, सपोज दिस इज 40. ठीक है, एक एंगल दिया है, रिमेनिंग वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. नाउ पे अटेंशन. एंगल 8 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 2 इज इक्वल टू 40 डिग्री. आज द क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज दे आर वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल. ये भी 40 डिग्री हो गया. ठीक है, एंगल 1 एंड एंगल 8 आर लीनियर पेयर, सो ये 140. 1 और 7 वर्टिकली अपोजिट, ये 140. 1, now we are coming to the left side of the transversal. 1 and 3 are called corresponding angles. I hope you must have heard. तो ये हो गया 140. 8 and 6 ये हो गया 40. 6 and 4 vertically opposite. 3 and 5 vertically opposite. Angle 2 and angle 3 are called interior angles. On the same side of transversal, and angle 2 plus angle 3 is always 180. They are supplementary. Go to the right side. Angle 7 plus angle 6 also 180. They are also called interior angles on the right side of the transversal. Interior angles, total sum is always 180. आ गया समझ में? This we should know it, okay? Z formation. अच्छा, alternate angles you all know what is Z formation? देखो, ये Z हो गया, तो ये एंगल 2 और एंगल 6. अब inverted Z में, अच्छा, this will show you. So this angle and this angle, these are the basics, we should know it. Now, question number 15. A vertical pole of length 6 meter cast a shadow of 4 meter on the ground, and at the same time tower cast a shadow of 28 meter long. So find the height of the tower. We will try to draw the figure first. Okay. Question number 15, very important. तो पहले हम इसका डायग्राम ड्रॉ करेंगे. We have to find out height of the tower. Okay. चलो, ये वर्टिकल पोल हो गया. So this will be okay. So draw the figure first. Read the question again. A vertical pole of length 6 meter cast a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower cast a shadow of 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. So we start with the solution. Have you drawn the figure? Yes. Now I'll start. There are two figures here. A, B और C. इसका है पोल. ओके, ये है राइट एंगल 6 मीटर 4 मीटर क्वेश्चन मार्क. सेकेंड में है टावर. You can give the name PQR. PQR tower. Okay. Write the details. 28 meter. Now, angle B is equal to angle Q. Okay. Angle C is equal to angle R. So we can say both the triangles are. Let us start now. Write the details. AB is vertical pole. कितना है? 6 मीटर. BC लिखो 4 मीटर. PQ is tower, which we have to find out. QR is 28 meter. Now angle B is equal to angle Q because they are 90 degree. ठीक है? Angle C is equal to angle R. They represent the elevation of the sun. So, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle C is equal to angle R, angle B is equal to angle Q. So, by AA, triangle ABC is similar to triangle. पहले सिमिलैरिटी तो देखनी पड़ेगी ना, तो हम रेशियो ले सकते हैं. AB अपॉन PQ is equal to BC अपॉन QR is equal to AC अपॉन PR. ठीक है. So AB अपॉन PQ is equal to BC upon QR. AB is 6, PQ is not given, BC is 4 और ये है 28. 6 into 28 upon 4 is equal to PQ. तो PQ कितना हो गया 42. So height of tower is 42 centimeter. I hope the sum is clear to you all. Okay. So practice again, and now we go to the next video.